Hello and welcome to our lesson on developing the schedule part 3. In this segment, we will continue discussing consolidating the schedule components. Determining project milestones is a critical aspect of project planning, serving as essential reference points that signify significant progress or achievements within the project lifecycle. Milestones are specific, important events or deliverables that mark critical stages of project completion. These milestones are pivotal for tracking project advancement, communicating progress to stakeholders, and ensuring alignment with project objectives. Identifying project milestones involves breaking the project scope into manageable components and pinpointing key deliverables, events, or achievements that mark significant completion stages. Specific criteria, such as completion of a phase, approval of critical documents, or attainment of key performance indicators, typically characterize milestones. By establishing clear and measurable milestones, project managers can effectively monitor project progress, identify potential risks or delays, and make informed decisions to keep the project on track toward successful completion. Moreover, milestones provide a framework for celebrating accomplishments, boosting team morale, and reinforcing commitment to project goals throughout the project lifecycle. Once start dates and finish dates for each activity are determined and deemed to align with the project objectives, the project manager must validate the availability of resources required for these activities on the specified dates. The primary aim is to ensure no conflicts with each resource's calendar or existing commitments on other projects or tasks, and that the activity can be executed as scheduled. This validation process is crucial for maintaining project momentum and preventing delays or resource shortages. There are several approaches that the project manager can employ to facilitate this validation process. One effective method is to empower the project team assigned to each activity to review their assigned activity dates and confirm their availability. This decentralized approach ensures that those directly involved in the execution of tasks have visibility into their schedules and can identify any conflicts or constraints firsthand. Alternatively, the project manager can check shared resource calendars or utilize scheduling tools to cross-reference availability across various project activities. Additionally, organizing a workshop where all team members convene to review and validate activity schedules collectively can foster collaboration and ensure alignment across the project team. Ultimately, by validating the availability of resources in advance, the project manager can proactively address any scheduling conflicts or resource constraints, thereby minimizing the risk of disruptions to project timelines. This proactive approach enhances project efficiency and fosters a culture of transparency and accountability within the project team. By ensuring that activities can be executed as planned, the project manager lays a solid foundation for successful execution and attaining project objectives. With all components of the schedule firmly established, encompassing not only the activities but also their respective start and end dates, both at the individual task level and for the project in its entirety, the schedule becomes a comprehensive roadmap for project execution. Typically, this schedule is portrayed through various formats, such as a tabular layout delineating activities alongside their attributes, a Gantt chart offering a visual representation that can be detailed down to the activity level or summarized to showcase only significant milestones, or a schedule network diagram illustrating the sequence and interdependencies of activities. However, merely having a schedule in place is insufficient. The project manager, in collaboration with the project team or scheduling specialists, must thoroughly analyze to ensure its alignment with project timeframes, resource constraints, and overarching objectives. This analysis phase is pivotal in validating the schedule's feasibility and efficacy in guiding project execution. It involves scrutinizing each aspect of the schedule, assessing whether the allocated timeframes for activities are realistic and attainable, and ensuring that resource allocations align with available capacities and project requirements. Additionally, the analysis delves into verifying that the schedule adheres to project constraints and objectives, such as budgetary limitations, quality standards, and stakeholder expectations. By conducting this comprehensive review, project managers can identify potential bottlenecks, mitigate risks, and optimize resource utilization to enhance the likelihood of project success. Furthermore, the schedule analysis is a proactive measure to anticipate and address deviations or discrepancies before they escalate into significant issues during project execution. This proactive approach enables project managers to refine the schedule as necessary, making adjustments to mitigate risks and optimize project outcomes. Additionally, by involving the project team or scheduling specialists in the analysis process, diverse perspectives are brought to the table, fostering collaboration and enhancing the quality of the schedule analysis. Ultimately, the diligent analysis of the schedule ensures that it remains a dynamic and reliable tool for guiding project execution, facilitating timely delivery and meeting stakeholder expectations. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss schedule compression technique. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.